Ever wondered how plastic, water, and gas pipes are joined together safely and securely? The answer is butt fusion and electrofusion welding, two of the most widely used methods for joining polyethylene or PE pipework. Butt fusion involves heating the ends of two pipes and pressing them together to create a strong, permanent joint. Once cooled, the connection becomes as strong as the pipe itself. Electrofusion welding uses specialist fittings and electricity to fuse pipes together, creating a strong, leak-free joint. These techniques are commonly used throughout the water, gas, and utility sectors, where reliability and safety are essential. During training, you'll learn how to prepare pipework correctly, operate welding equipment, follow industry standards, inspect completed joints, and carry out installations safely and efficiently. Successfully completing the training earns you an EUSR registration, providing recognized evidence of your welding skills. Whether you're starting a career in utilities or expanding your qualifications, butt fusion and electrofusion welding are valuable skills that remain in high demand across the industry. Click the link in the description to book your training with Project Skill Solutions today.